Now, in case you don't know, Bybit just launched the Bybit Pay on the app that can allow you to send crypto and receive crypto easily. And towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you the Bybit Pay campaign that Bybit is currently doing that you can use to make some money for yourself. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And please, before I go on, kindly like this video so that more people can see this video. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't. We are trying to reach 200,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now, straight to the point, how do you send and receive crypto with the Bybit Pay on the Bybit app? Now, as you can see right there, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app, and the first thing you want to do once you get to the home page is to come here to where you have more, where the arrow is pointing to. So I'll click on it. And once you get here, you click on Finance, where the arrow is pointing to. And then right here where the arrow is pointing to again is where you have Bybit Pay. So that's the Bybit Pay. So you click on it and then it will bring you to this page right here. So you can see right here it says get Bybit Pay ready for QR payment. And right here it will even show you the 3 steps you can follow to make payment with Bybit Pay. So once you've seen all of this, at the bottom of the screen, just click on this box right here. Just check this box where it says you've read and agreed to terms of service. So I'll click on it right there and then I'll click on activate Bybit Pay. And right here is the Bybit Pay page on the Bybit app. Now, the first thing, like I said, is how do you send crypto using Bybit Pay? Now, if you want to send crypto to someone else using Bybit Pay, just come here to where you have send. You can see where you have send right here. Click on it. Now, once you get to this page, you can enter one of these 3 things. The first thing you can enter is either the email address of the person you want to send it to. Now, make sure that the person you are sending it to is a Bybit user. That is what you can use Bybit Pay for. You can only send crypto to another Bybit user using Bybit Pay. Please take note of that. And it must also be the email address the person used in creating his or her Bybit account. So please make sure that it is that email address. Now, if you don't have that, another option you can enter is the person's phone number. So the person's phone number that is connected to his or her Bybit account, just ask for it and then you can put it or input down the phone number right here. And the third option you can enter is the person's Bybit ID. So just ask for the person's Bybit UID and then the person will send his or her UID to you and then you can put the person's UID right here. So once you put in the person's UID right here, you can now go on with the process. Now, let's for example, the person you want to make payment to or the person you want to send money to is right beside you or near you and you don't want to use any of these 3 options. There's another way to do that. So just click on this back button right here. And so you have this QR Pay. You will be able to scan the person's Bybit Pay QR code. So the person will have his or her QR code on his Bybit Pay page on his own app. And then you can now click on this QR Pay right here to scan that QR code. And then you just enter the amount you want to send and the money or the crypto will be sent to that person's account. So that's just a simple way to send crypto using Bybit Pay. Now, what about receiving crypto using Bybit Pay? Let's say, for example, another Bybit user wants to pay you crypto or maybe wants to send crypto to you. They can also use Bybit Pay. And to receive crypto through Bybit Pay, just come here to this page again and click on receive where the arrow is pointing to. And then you see your own QR code on the screen right here. So the simple thing you can just do is to just allow the person that wants to send crypto to you to scan this QR code right here and the person can easily send crypto to you. Or what you can just do is to send your Bybit email address or your Bybit phone number or your Bybit ID number to that person. And then the person will use any of these 3 options to send crypto to you and you'll receive it through Bybit Pay. So you can see that Bybit Pay has made it easy for you to send and receive crypto. You don't have to be copying wallet address all the time and be sending to people because the issue with wallet address is that you might miss a letter or a number in your wallet address and you will lose your funds. So using Bybit Pay is a very easy way to send and receive crypto. Now, aside from sending and receiving crypto using Bybit Pay, there are other things that you can also use Bybit Pay to do. And one of them is that you can pay for things online or maybe you can buy things or even shop for things online using your Bybit Pay funds. Now, let's for example, you want to buy a gift card or maybe you want to do a mobile recharge or maybe you want to do some game subscriptions, you can use your Bybit Pay to pay for all of these things. Now, how can you do that? Now, for example, you can see right here where it says PayPal direct top up 10 USD. Now, let's for example, you have a PayPal account and maybe you want to top up your maybe you want to add funds to your PayPal account. You can do this right here. Just click on where you have this PayPal direct top up. Once you click on it, you can go right there and then the fee you're just paying is $11.55. That's the amount you're paying. So once you pay this amount, you'll be able to get 10 USD in your PayPal wallet. So in case you have a PayPal wallet and you don't have any other way to maybe top it up or to deposit money into your PayPal account, you can do this on Bybit through Bybit Pay. Another thing you can do is to buy gift cards. So you can see at the bottom of the screen where it says gift cards, just click on it. And right here on the screen is where you can see the different gift cards that you can buy. So you can buy gift cards of different airlines, even Spotify, Amazon. There are so many things that you can buy right here. So these are different gift cards, and that's another way you can use your Bybit Pay. Now another thing you can do is your mobile recharge. So you can see where you have mobile recharge right here, click on it, and then if you come to this page right here, you see where it says select a top-up service. So I'll click on it right there. So you can see where you have mobile, that's your mobile service. You have iTunes, eSIM, DTH, electricity, and so on. These are different things that you can buy using Bybit Pay on the Bybit app. So you can see that there are a lot of things you can do. And one last thing is that you can also organize giveaway using Bybit Pay. So you see where you have this giveaway right here, this giveaway icon, just click on it. So just in case you want to do giveaway, you can create a giveaway right here. So you can see where it says create, or maybe if you want to join a giveaway, maybe another Bybit user created a giveaway using Bybit Pay, you can join it on this page too right here. So you can see there are different things you can do with Bybit Pay on the Bybit app. So if you are going to be using the Bybit Pay to send or receive crypto, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you can make some money for yourself through the Bybit Pay campaign that Bybit is currently doing right now. Now, as you can see on the screen, it says Bybit Pay Referral Fiesta, which is happening from April 30, 2025 to May 30, 2025. Now, what is this all about? Now, if I scroll up right here, you see where it says invite friends and get up to 100,000 USDT in rewards. Now, this event ends in 7 days, 22 hours. Now, I'll be posting this video very soon so that in the next 7 days, you can be able to have time to participate in this and also earn some money for yourself. Now, how can you earn money from this campaign? Now you can see right here where it says referral, send 1 USDT to your friends. Now what this means is that you need to refer someone to Bybit. Now once you refer someone to Bybit, you need to send 1 USDT to your friends using Bybit Pay. That is just the only thing you need to do. Send crypto to your friend or to the person you are referring to Bybit through Bybit Pay. Now, some of you might want to ask me that why am I sending 1 USDT to someone to make money? Now, you are getting your 1 USDT back. Now, here's how it works. Now, once you send that 1 USDT to the person, and the person does any transaction of at least 1 USDT using Bybit Pay, you will get your 1 USDT back. That's exactly how it works. So basically, you refer someone to Bybit, send 1 USDT to the person using Bybit Pay, and the person will have to do a transaction of at least 1 USDT using Bybit Pay. And once the person has done that transaction, you get your 1 USDT back. Now, the more you do this, the more money you'll be able to get from the 100,000 USDT that Bybit is giving out for this campaign. So it means that if you're among the top people who are referring people and sending money using Bybit Pay, it means that you'll be part of people who will be getting a lot of money from that 100,000 USDT they are giving out for this campaign. That's exactly how it works and how you can make some money for yourself through this. Now, if you're interested in this campaign, here's how to register. The first thing you want to do is to click on the first link in the description of this video or the first link in the pinned comment of this video. And then once you click on that link, it should bring you right here to this page. Now, once you get to this page, you see where you have register now. So you click on register now. And right here on the screen, you'll be asked to create a Bybit account. So in case you don't have a Bybit account, go ahead and create an account. Just enter your email address, enter a password, and then enter the referral code. Now, the referral code you need to enter here is 41557. That's the referral code you need to enter here to be able to participate in this. So once you enter the referral code and you enter your email address and password, go ahead and create an account. But in case you have an account with Bybit already, what you just need to do is to click on login right here. So you have this login. Just click on login and then enter your email address and your password, and just like that, you've registered for this event. So you can now go ahead and refer people to Bybit, send them 1 USDT. Once they do any transaction that is at least 1 USDT, you get your 1 USDT back. And the more you do this, the more money you'll be able to get from the 100,000 USDT Bybit is giving out for this campaign. So that is all for this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever we drop new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.